like once.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be quick and easy. I've been loving the half wigs lately. Like, it's really been giving. It's growing my hair, it's low maintenance, and it looks really cute. So this is me just refreshing it. So I'm gonna just do my edges first and then lay the hair down and fix anything, and that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye. So I am wearing the shade Your Fantasy by Calissa Beauty. This is the shade. I put like a little amount, like 2 little layers. And this is the box that it comes in, guys. You guys can get this at kbllc.shop. Calissa Beauty. This is the shade Your Fantasy. So yes, I hope you guys like this video. It was informative. So this is basically how I refresh my hair. I would say this is like almost 2 days of me just leaving it. So this is the transformation, baby. So yeah, bye. See y'all in the next video. See y'all in the next video. Hold on, bye.